CSS Exam Preparation 2022. CSS exam held on average year of February. Students have the best time for preparing themselves for the hardship of life. Many students lose their hope during the preparation because of the lack of information and proper guides. Here you are provided the complete CSS exam preparation materials 2022. I am going to share with you the tips that are useful for the preparation of CSS exam. Firstly, you have to select optional subjects attentively. The selection of the CSS optional subjects is the candidate's own choice and interest. Must choose those subjects in which your basic concepts are clear and according to your interest. Secondly, go through with past papers of last 5 years. Past papers are extremely important. They help a lot with the improvement of time, guidance about CSS exam, paper pattern, and marks allocated of each subject. The applicant should analyze previous papers about their selected subject. Thirdly, you have to special focus on English. Most candidates fail in the CSS English subject exam and understudy subjects in the CSS exam, as many applicants consider that they are good enough for passing the English exam due to their listening, speaking, or reading skills. In reality, English exams, composition, and precis subjects take extensive practice to become perfect in these subjects. Here are some tips for English practices: article writing on daily basis, extract vocabulary from newspaper on a daily basis, and you must be reading English newspaper. Every day, write at least 3 hours. Most candidates utilizes their time on the general knowledge based questions and ignore the sections of written practice. Written practices help one to express more dynamically and efficiently. Finding the right ways to express their ideas and creativity is highly important. Increase your speed to attempt test. Getting the highest marks on the test can be done by proper practicing. There are several coaching centers such as World Times Academy and NOA CSS Academy, online websites, books, and asking for CSS mentors that help in this exam. You can achieve high marks in the test when you are familiar with all the parts of the exam. Practice hard to efficiently manage the time. Managing the time is one of the most under-practiced parts. One should utilize 3 hours of exam properly and efficiently, making sure that all questions get an equal amount of time. Also sure about doing paper before 10 minutes because of proofreading. How to manage stress in CSS exam. Stress kills one's memory, productivity, loses the focus on goals, and mental health as well. Some candidates consider CSS exam is the exam of life, lock themselves in one room and every time busy for this preparation. Relax and take breath. Everything will be okay. Trust your inner abilities. These are some tips regarding the preparation of CSS exam 2022. Hope you find it useful. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of coming videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.